Hold on. Oh, where's it?
What up? Good morning. Welcome to this live stream. Gonna be a good stream. See what GJ wants to do today. It's probably gonna drop. Big drop today. Big drop today on GJ. I'm set. 6:45. Yeah, she got a huge low drop later. My support. I think the drops should come down to this level down here. I mean, I mean, that's something weird thoughts on course there. I have no idea what that is. I don't use that. GG could already grab out a moment. Oh yeah, interest rate soon. Is it? Damn. How are people not awake for this? We're gonna trade this. Got interest rate soon. Numbers? I don't know what numbers gonna be, man. What do you guys think? I think bad. I think it's gonna come up bad. Just me basing off of technicals. I don't know though. I don't know. Push up for news. I mean, I don't care what happens for news. Like anything can happen for news. I'll catch a little pieces later, you know. Whatever happens, happens. Buy yourself stuff? No, I don't trade like that. I'm not that risky of a trader. I think buy yourself or sell stocks for news is, me personally, I think it's a little aggressive. I don't like being aggressive when it comes to trading, so I don't trade like that. I used to, but I don't do it anymore. What else do we have here? We have that, and then you have, that's it. Damn, probably gonna be. May 7th. Let's see what happened May 7th. Let's see what happened May 7th. So let's go to custom. Let's go to 5-7. Time is news. 2 a.m. Hmm. May 7 news came out. Oh no, that's May 6. May 7th. May 7th. Came out good. Kept the same rates. We're good. Oh.
Yo.
Yo, what up, bro?
What's good?
Yeah, maybe a push up with news probably. I honestly think they're gonna keep the same rates from the month of June. I mean June, yeah. Let's see what happens here. Big news coming in. Big news for pound. Maybe this is priced in, you know, cause like we're gonna close bullish on a 1 hour. So if the 1 hour is closing bullish, man, we have a chance of like continuing up to like I don't know, maybe these levels up here, 134 at 200 level. You do drive up today. Hey, we could drive up today. Damn, let's see.
What's your bullish today?
I'm bearish though, but let's see what news does. Like, I'm probably gonna turn my bias after the news releases. Right now, I'm just bearish based on the technical analysis. Like, I was expecting like these levels down here, 133, 280, 200 level, you know. Let's see.
Well, what time is news?
7
Okay.
or 9 minutes. See what happens. 133, 520 strong support. Yeah, it is strong support. I mean, it's not that strong. It's okay support. But yeah, it could. Could reject. You know, these are areas where people would buy. Like generally, this is areas people would buy. People buy a strong support resistance, right? Let's see, because price can still drive down. Who knows? So if news does spike up, drive up, I'm expecting 133, 185, right? I want to see what happens though, cause like
the 4 hour and the daily still bearish.
yeah, cause I think sell-sides will be good down here for if there's no news involved right now, and I think I'll probably have a sell-side down here for GJ coming down like this, you know. Since there's news, I can't do that. I'm just not gonna. If they should drive down to these levels, is bearish. Kind of choppy, but How many pips did GG move this week? Like,
Yeah.
5 minutes. 5 minutes. The price should drive down if it wants to go down today. I literally see this target. These levels aren't bad. There. That target is not bad. Let's see this count does. Let's see. Let's see. Man, yesterday someone was like, I caught 22 pips on GG, right? For like that one session yesterday, and someone was like, well, I caught 500 pips. I held it for two weeks. I'm like, wow, that's amazing, man. How many attempts did that take you? You know, like, I don't care how long you hold your trades for, man. Like, I don't care how many pips you caught. I don't care if your chart looks like this. If this is all your chart, he gave me a chart and he said he's like, oh, I held it for 2. I'm like, oh nice, amazing, man. How was your analysis? He went like this. He went like this, and literally this is what he had on his chart. From up here, like this. He saw a W here, so he went like this. Ah. He drew an arrow coming down. I'm like, that's your analysis? You know, like, how many attempts did it take you to cash a sell then? Like, how many attempts did that take, you know? Because how often does that usually happen though, where you actually hold a trade for a certain amount of pips? You know?
Would you take that same trade you took again?
Exactly. And this is what the chart looked like. This is a W, and he drew an arrow coming down because it tapped this resistance right here. I'm like, I looked at it and I was like,
Makes sense.
I don't know, man. It's just, I just feel like those type of trades, and also their entry was like, so for example, their entry was like this. The entry had a wick, like they had entered a short from up here, a wick entry coming down like that, and I was like, that's where you're not break even yet. He put his stop loss is still the same stop loss. So I'm like, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. And they didn't secure profits. Definitely did not.
Yo, so the 1 hour doesn't. Let me check MP4, because the 1 hour didn't create a wait. I don't know. Trading view.
It did create a wick.
Top wait.
1 hour it did. What you looking at? 1 hour it did.
I mean, oh, I'm on US 30. I'm tripping. Nah, you're right. Why am I looking at US 30?
You're still in a low range right now. Small range.
When I'm at my close doji.
But yeah, it has a high chance of falling today.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually going out. But it tapped the target today already. It came down to 25,850 already. So I don't know what's gonna do now. Maybe retest the lows, continue down. Let's see. See, we have 1 minute here. My yesterday's stream was kind of lit. 22 pips. After the stream was another, you know, couple pips. 70 pips yesterday for VIP. Pretty good day. Pretty good day.
Go.
Yo, GJ, but what are your predictions, guys?
I'm bearish as fuck.
From a technical standpoint, I'm bearish, right? But like the news might push it
I
up.
think it's gonna shoot up.
Yeah, news might push it up because I think
it created support during London.
they're gonna keep the same rates, man. I don't think they're gonna change it. Don't. 10%.
It's about to send people to their gulag.
It's going to be a 0.10. All right, there it goes.
About to send man to their gulag with this candle right here.
All right, see, pushing up. Let's see. Yeah, it should push up down to like. If this is a fake out, technically it's down. From the technical standpoint, it is a fake out, so it should fill this range here. So 134, 178 here, 30 pips here for GJ.
Gulag right here, bro.
See, guys, these are trades that I don't enter, but these are trades that I see. Alright, but these are trades that don't enter at all. These are I don't trade news like this.
Find my candle.
Yeah, they kept the same rates. They must have. Sure they did. For sure. Alright, this is a target then. It has a. This is the range it has come up to now. You know, that's the range. Yeah, it's gonna fill this range, and then eventually has a chance of going up later on. But see what happened here.
It's not even big of a news candle. Like we've seen bigger.
No, it's not done yet. Trust me. Yeah. It's not done yet. It's gonna continue to push. It's not done yet. It's gonna push far. Yeah, they kept the same rate. See, 10%. 0.10.
To the gulag right
there. It goes. 134, 183 on GJ.
Why? Should have slapped like a 3.0 on my wheel on that.
And then, since it has an 85% chance of filling it, now it has a 75% chance of continuing up, right? This is just based off technicals. Way, and news came with it as well, but like, if this candle is coming back in the range, it's gonna fill the range. And now it's gonna break the range and continue to go up to like maybe 134, 441, you know? But, I'm not trading this, I'm just gonna watch it happen.
Nope. This is untradeable.
This candle is a perfect clean traffic move down later. If GG does come down. When I trade news, I cash little pieces later.
Yeah.
That's what I do. I don't get hyped over this. I don't get, you know, excited over this stuff. I don't get FOMO over this stuff. This stuff doesn't really give me any of that. Stuff is just, I actually hate this stuff now. It's like, I want to trade it, but I don't want to trade this because I don't want to put my capital at risk when there's major spikes like this, major news like this. Did you take that trade? No, I did not take that trade. But you know, it's at the target. I did not take the trade. And after now, people are gonna be like, man, I missed the trade. Man, I missed GG today. It came up 30, 40 pips. I missed it. If you missed it, if you wanted to catch it, you would have caught it. You know?
Yeah.
If you wanted to catch it, you would have caught it. I'm not sad. This movie does not make me sad. This move does not make me sad. I get no joy watching a 40 pip candle move come from news. I think I'm not gonna talk about it. Let's see what US 30 is gonna do here. Cause you know what? I know there's gonna be a move later. I know there's gonna be a, I don't know what's gonna happen later, but there's gonna be something later. Market's gonna show me, and I'm gonna enter it, and then it's gonna play out. Right? But this is no for me. If I were to take this trade 1,000 times, I guarantee you it wouldn't play out 1,000 times. I mean, probably 80% of the time. It'd probably play out like 40, 30%, 50% of the time. Right? This is just based off news, right? You're just taking a guess kind of thing. But if you have a fundamental economic standpoint background, you might have used that to catch this GJ move up. You know, I had a feeling that they're gonna keep the same rates for the month of May, and they did, but like I'm not that confident to a point where I can enter a trade and just generally be confident in it. Like me, like entering a trade like I did yesterday, that was a trade I was confident in. But these trades, like with news and stuff, if I were to enter, I would not be confident. It's just, it can go either way. News can do a whipsaw, a fake go up to go down, or like a bunch of stuff can happen with news. It can drop, I can go down 100 pips for like 1 second and come back their way 500 pips. Like who knows, right? But that's why I don't trade news. It's just very risky. And I wouldn't be confident in the trade. I wouldn't take the trade 1,000 times if I seen it. If there were like to be news 1,000 days in a row, and I'll have to predict each and every single thing that happens, I wouldn't get majority of it right. Why would I want to put my capital at risk trading that news? It wouldn't make any sense. Like for me, I'd rather just trade what I know, you know, and what I've back tested and what I usually do every day. This is not what I do every day. Trading news is not what I do every day. Now what you expect in GJ? I don't know. It's in this little range of resistance. It has a high chance of breaking it. It's coming up to 134, 492 because how it works is when price comes back in the range and usually fills the range, and it has a high chance of breaking it as well. So like I said, 85% chance of filling it and 75% chance of continuing up. 85% chance got filled already right here. So now it has this to come up maybe, but maybe once it forms some type of support down here somewhere or to go up. But this candle is not done yet. I truly believe this candle is not done yet. It should continue to drive up. I'm gonna look for there's nothing I'm gonna look for just yet. I'm gonna hold on a little bit until I get like a different, like maybe like a couple candles here, maybe like 3 candles or something, 3 15-minute candles or something. But this candle is not done driving. It should continue to drive. Don't think the move's done. Don't think the move is over. Don't think the move is it can still, again, it can still continue to go down. Who knows? It can reverse from here. But don't ever think there's a max potential move that a pair can do. Like where a pair is gonna touch this price and just drop later. Don't think of it as that. This pair could just continue driving up. For all we know, who knows? Because the overall time frame is bullish. Like the weekly time frame is bullish. Like I'm technically bullish on GJ on the high time frames, but today, right now, I'm not bullish. Right? Who knows? Maybe this is the start of the bullish trend. Who knows? DJ Chairman Warzone. DJ, you work today?
No, not today.
Bro, I have like 11 wins on Warzone now.
I scalped the nice sells.
Bruh.
Bruh.
Maybe. If GJ closes like this in the range, I'll look for buys. If GJ closes like this, this, because news happened already, and this is from just the technicals at this point. But if this were to happen, I'm expecting that next candle to continue up like this, go up bullish and fill his wick, and eventually push up to this level. If GG closes like this, right, I'll enter a buy. But if it doesn't, I'm not entering a buy, because now if I enter a buy on GG, on this, after this candle closes where it is, my stops will have to be 30 pips. I don't want that. So if it closes like this, yeah, close like this for 20 pip stop loss, I'll look for potential buys come up to this target. Because then price will fill this wick and eventually break that wick to come up to this target up here. 134, 49. But that's if the 15-minute closes like this, right? So let's see what happens on GG here. That magic keys on the whole night.
Don,
Yo.
what is your thoughts on US 30?
What are my thoughts? Bearish.
Oh, never mind, bearish, yeah.
I told you, remember? 2600, 2600 should be hit.
So London bought. So.
Yeah, 1 hour would have been entry. I'm down to the support.
Oh yeah.
Been good, but 2600, yeah. This is probably a clean ass fake out, man. This is a clean fake out move down here. For gold, continue to drive. Yeah, man. A clean one. Very clean. Look at that. Look left. This is your range, and pressure continue to come down. But I think falls below these areas, coming down to this level, should be clean.
Sell stops are nice.
Alright, there's 3 minutes left on the 15-minute candle. Let's see what happens.
What a breakout candle in US 30, bro.
Yes, it was so funny, the market maker thing.
Oh yeah, that was jokes.
Actually so funny.
Yo, yesterday during what's it called, Asian? You always good sells too.
In session, yeah, it's pretty clean. Alright, see what GG wants to do here. Yeah, see. It could happen. That move could happen. And we could get an entry here. Let's see. Give it some time. Give it 2 minutes. If you guys haven't yet, like the stream, leave a like on the stream. Appreciate the likes.
Where would you even determine your stops?
I mean,
Big ass stops.
for now, yeah, it's gonna close above 133,900. That's not my word. My word is more of just I want it close like a little further down, so I can have a better,
Yeah, I know.
smarter stops.
Yeah.
Cause this, I know it's gonna close in the range. So, like this, if this were to close, I'm not entering buys. Like I'm not interested in this at all. If it close like this, cause stops gonna be way too big. Target's only up to like 134.49. Anticipating that's gonna break this resistance, right? Cause like this range is a lot smaller now. But if price closes down here like this, I know what I'm gonna do with this trade. I know I'm gonna move stops to entry when price gets here. I know I'm gonna close partial when price gets here, and then let the rest run to here. But if you were to enter up here, you don't have that much range to go up, you know. So let's see, 30 seconds here. If it pushes down a little further, down to like these levels, I'll probably enter. But if it doesn't, then I'm gonna have to wait for a 30-minute candle to close in another 15 minutes. And if that doesn't, then I'm gonna have to wait for the 1 hour to close like that, you know. Let's see. Where do you put your stop loss?
Well, overall, yeah.
This trade, there's no trade right now, so there's no stop loss right now. I'll let you know if when I'm in a trade where my stop is. If you watch the replays though for the streams, you should know where my stops are usually based off of.
Yeah, explain.
Yeah, if you have buys, you ate today. You
Yeah.
ate today. Yeah, 15-minute close bullish. Stops are quite big though. 26 pips.
6 pips will stop us. God.
Huh. You know what's gonna happen is price is gonna make it look something like this. Who is blowing their nose? Holy shit. That's Jay. I think price is gonna do something like this today on GJ. On this candle. Low wick come down and then it should push up. Bullish. Let's see. 32 minutes left. I'm waiting for this candle to close. And I'm looking for buys. If it closes bullish. Yeah, there's still a little speech coming up later.
Which speech?
For the rate cuts.
Oh, for the pound?
Yeah.
What time?
I don't know.
Bruh, how are we trading during speech? It's scary.
Is this it? I don't know if the pound usually has a little conference after they cut rates, after they change their rates up. How about gold? Gold is in a range right now, and gold has a high chance of coming down to this target today. 17.19, I'll say. That's a pretty good target. Bank says CPI is expected to fall further below target in coming quarters. Yeah. I mean, it could do whatever it wants to do. I'm still gonna catch my 10 pips every day, you know. Like I'm not looking to hold positions for like that long for me to like, you know, say that I'm gonna hold this to this. Like I'm a scalper. This is why I'm a scalper. I don't need to worry about news. I don't need to worry about anything. Like I know when news. I looked up in Forex Factor. There's no news between these certain times of the day. I'm gonna trade those certain times of the day. That's what I'm gonna do. But when there's news, I don't trade the news directly. You know, that's why I scalp, man. I don't trade news. I don't do any of that. Majority of my trades are based off of technical analysis, but there's some fundamentals behind it as well in the back. Like some parts of it is probably fundamentals with it too, right? But like these buys, yeah, probably have a based off of the rate cut coming out positive for the pound, right? Push up, but other than that, like that's all that it is. Like I don't really like directly trade the news though. It's something that I did before and it never worked out for me. Cause yeah, it just never worked out for me. So news is relevant? No, news is very relevant. News is what moves the markets. It's just how like, it just depends on what you're trying to catch and what you're trying to do with the news. But news is very relevant. It's not irrelevant, man. Trust me. News is everything. I mean, usually technicals line up with the fundamentals majority of the time, so. See how his 30-minute count closes there. Pure technicals will have you on profit. I mean, I use pure technicals. I have fundamentals as well, I guess, but not like majority of my technical analysis is just technicals. Every day in the streams, yes, it's majority technicals. You know, every day in the live streams for the past 3 months have been just pure technicals, and we've had like an 80+% hit rate. So yeah, you could have even profit with just technicals. It just depends what you're trying to catch and what you're trying to do. Yep. US$30 is correlating as expected because the pound is a safe haven. The yen is a safe haven, sorry. There it is. Target for US$30 has tapped 2600. There you go. We would have had entries on this candle, stops above that candle, coming down to this support down here. That would have been a clean entry for US$30.
That's how I was gonna ask you about that no wick. That's what I was mentioning earlier.
Oh, yeah.
That I would have no wick. I was like, man.
Seven minutes here, be patient, guys. should reject off this level, like I said, and push up bullish. Remember I said earlier on the 15-minute. I drew the candle out. I saw this candle's gonna flip bullish now and continue to go up. Let's see what happens here.
You see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on two separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on two separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension of tone impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
Man, if this is the actual fake go down and go up, which it was, it filled the range. Man, if this candle respects the next high, next low here and continues to go up, we're gonna go up today. What's your next resistance for GJ? I think if you close a weak bullish candle on GJ, I'm gonna have a sell stop below that candle. See, this is your range today, right? This is your range, and this is your target price breaks up, and this is your target price breaks down. See, daily is still bearish. Looking good so far, looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Because GJ didn't break the 4-hour high yet. It just went up for a wick. Continue to push down here today. It didn't break that 4-hour high yet. A minute left. See what happens here. We have a sell stop. Also have to depend though on the next candle, the way it moves up. That wake up will be the stop loss. Anticipating that's the new high of the 30-minute to come down. I'm not gonna put my stop loss to the 1 hour high because the 1 hour high is all the way up here, so it wouldn't make sense for me to do that. Looking for buys, but a maximum of how many stop loss pips? 15? That depends on you. There's no max stop loss for me, man. Stop loss for me, it determines on the move. It doesn't determine on a pip. Stop loss doesn't go by, man, I'm comfortable losing 20 pips. I'm gonna put it at 20 pips. That's not how stop loss works, man. You should put it at the next whatever, like whatever you find you think your resistance support is, or whatever you think. If price does break that area, where and it goes the opposite direction, how far is it gonna go? Like that's where you should put your stop loss. You know, like I know that if GJ breaks this low, it's gonna come down to all the way down to here. So this, if I were to enter a buy, like that would be my stop loss, right? But I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna enter buys. This body is so weak of a candle. I know it's not close in this range, but it's gonna be a bit risky. Be a bit risky. Only a 13 pip stop loss, but see what happens there. Oof. I'm looking at this. I don't know. This is the trade I usually take. Just this body is so small of a body. You know, I wanted this body close like maybe like around this level. But it closed so small of a body. I'm expecting this kind of push up, right? But it's just we should be able to push up that level up there. Going to buy here. This is my target up there. That's my stops. DP is 4. So I entered a buy here based on the fact that based off the fact that we closed bullish in the range, right? So I entered a small position here. I didn't enter my regular size lot. I only entered a 4.0 lot here. But stops are 13 pips. Stop is below the previous candle low because the price does break that low, it's gonna go all the way down. So that's why stop loss is there. Yeah, I'm in this. I'm expecting prices can go up to this level, 134, 430, but this would be a safety. This would be a safe area where I'm going to close like maybe 90% of my positions. I'm gonna leave a runner up to here for the last 10%. Yep, my position today. If GJ does break this low here, guys, you guys like a GJ, if price does break this low, GJ breaks this low, we are 133, 118. So if this low does get broken, this would be an area where you can have sell stops coming down to this target down here, 133, 118. Cool. Yeah, I'm expecting GJ to come up like this. This bullish kind of come up like this. Bullish, fills wick, and then eventually break that wick as well. Because this is a huge wick fill. This is like the biggest wick fill I've seen in a minute. So as long as GJ does respect this low, we should be able to come up, right? But if you do break this low, however, we're gonna go down further to that target down there that I was talking about. So it's gonna be an interesting day today. Very interesting day. But this is a trade I'll normally enter. This wick fill is a move that a move that I always enter off of. It's just that this body count is quite small. So I enter a small, very small position. See, once price gets to this level, so you guys see how I planned out the trade already? I already know I'm gonna do the trade. I know exactly what I'm gonna do with the trade. But what I can't do is I can't close partials of my positions. When it breaks a certain slow and smart time, because there's no other low that's gonna break. The only low that's gonna break is the 30-minute low, right? There's no other lows are in the fact that this is 30-minute low. So I can't really reduce my losses in this trade. The only thing I could have done was enter a small lot, which I did. But yeah, regardless to taking profit wise, this is where I'm gonna probably move stops to entry up here, and this is where I'm gonna close 9% of my positions up here. So let's see. Where's Sam and Jimmy today, bro? guys want MIA.
It was like you sleeping.
Definitely.
I'm so used to waking up at 6 now.
I don't like that traffic to the left. Yeah, the traffic to the left is I already know what I'm gonna do with it though. Like when it prices this traffic, these traffic levels, I'm probably gonna close like 10%, a small position of my trade as well, maybe like 50%, and then leave a runner. That's entry. And close 50%. 4.0 out of, I mean,
We're in profit here. More.
you be pushing.
Real.
What up, bro?
Yo.
Real. I am goddamn tired, bro. Yo, what the heck is what happened with TJ, bro?
Is that your mic, bro?
What is it? Huh?
There's news, bro.
Oh,
There's rate cuts.
oh, cause I looked at it and it was the election thing. I'm like, what?
No, they kept the same rates.
Ah,
Rate cuts. Yeah.
dang, TJ looking so ugly this week, bro.
I don't know, it looks kinda normal. Look like last week for me, I don't know. They look pretty clean this week for me. Yeah, guys, if GJ breaks this low, we're gonna go down to this level, 133.187, and there's no doubt in my mind it's not gonna go there if it breaks this low. So, I entered a buy here, right? I'm in a buy right now. We're in a buys. But if GJ comes down to this support down here, I mean breaks that low, I'm gonna look for sells coming down all the way down to this target.
Oh, it's so slow. There's like no volume.
Right now it's not moving. Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta wait for like that.
8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, 8:30.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Volume is on the way.
New York's about to kick in here. New York is about to kick in.
The week 10s are about to kick in right now. Don't worry.
Talk to the market makers, yeah.
They're closed right now. They're closed right now. I can't.
Bruh, the week 10 session is almost here, bruh. Don't not worry.
Who banging
Not
C's?
worry.
That's Jimbo.
Nah, I don't get games anymore. I just say that shit for fun. I am a suburbs dude. That's not my life.
I'm from the suburbs. I'm a suburban dude.
I'm a suburban dude. I don't game gang. Just say that shit for fun.
Sniper gang. Kodak. Yeah, you're pushing up here.
Gold is going down as well, like you mentioned.
Bro.
Oh, it is? Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah, gold's coming down now. Gold is coming down.
This is one of those weeks where you just be like, what the hell?
Nah, man, this one of those weeks where you're like, damn, this is a good week, man.
Nah, man.
So far it's been pretty good. I don't know. I haven't had anything that's really messed me this week.
Cause bro, every article talk about the virus. Still, literally every article. Cause bro, it's gonna be hellstorm, bro. Someone's gonna drop the AC-130 on USA, bro. We're done, bro. Florida, 2,700 cases in one day. Yeah. What? Then they're talking about closing everything down again. Huh?
Could you please show me how to close 50% of my position? Yeah, so going your, I don't know how to explain it, but going your FT5, go to modify and just lower the lot. It's then close half once you close partials. Or search your YouTube video real quick, cause they're gonna show you.
Like swipe right on your trade, click the little check, right, and then you see the lot number, right? You could erase whatever. Like say if you have a .10, right? Like clear it out and then put .0.05 and then close it half. So,
I'm studying move stops below previous 15 minutes. It's already stop loss is already at the previous 15 minute on GJ. Well, previous 30.
See the slice.
dang, bro. I woke up
Money,
late.
baby.
I woke up so late.
Nah, I didn't miss anything.
Cause, bro, I usually wake up when my grandma wakes up.
I mean, I called this move up on GJ earlier, but we didn't actually like trade it. Like I didn't actually trade it.
No, we just threw up predictions.
And like I said, how it was a fake out. I caught it from a technical standpoint. It was a fake out, so it should fill the range, in which it did.
What kind of closure is that, man?
Trade's called. Yeah, trades taken, none. How to close? Doji? I'm guessing Doji. Yeah, Doji for sure.
Oh, I'm gonna wait till 8.
Why previous 30 not 15? Because this trade is based off of this time frame. I mean, you could cut your position and close like partials or positions as price breaks that low. Price is breaking at low, right? Yeah, I'll get out this trade, guys.
Yeah, same here. I got it. I got it after I seen that closure.
I got out this trade, guys. GJ broke the 15-minute lows here.
Oh. The one, so we're gonna
Yeah, it's about to break the 30-minute low, right? So as it breaks the 30-minute low, this is where my stop stops would usually be. So I got it at first trade, -7 pips. Yep. I didn't see a 15-minute. Yeah, so the GJ broke the 15-minute lows, broke the 30-minute lows, so now that it's breaking this low, this is where my stop stops would be. Stop stops coming down to this target down here, 133, 118. Because now it's breaking the 30-minute low and it's breaking the 1-hour low as well. So now it should be able to push down further. So maybe this is a liquidity wick up to go down maybe. On GJ. Right?
Solid?
Yeah, I got in.
Mm.
I got in right here. Stops are 17 pips. EP is down here. Call signal for it too. I couldn't even tell VIP to close fast enough in that one. What was the stop for that one? That was 13 pips. It's not bad. You just should push down here. So I cut my lashes short on our first trade, and that's how I reduced my risk on that trade. Cut my lashes early, closed it as we broke the. I didn't like the way the 15 closed as a doji, so I put my stops. I actually closed manually, but once it broke that 15-minute low, and I also mentioned earlier how if GJ actually breaks the 30-minute low, it's going to drive down to 133, 118. So this is what my trades. Yeah, that was a sell that I got in. And I said how I was gonna enter a normal position once you break that low, which is 8.0 lot, and earlier was just a smaller lot for me. Why does it keep making this? You see, guys? Coming lost is short on that trade. Didn't let it hit my actual stops. And right now we are coming down on GJ and profit here. Yeah, so why I was buying was the fact that this is I was expecting this move to continue up bullish, as long as we respect this low right here, right? But as it broke the 15-minute lows, I started to get out of the trade. I started to leave the trade, closed at -7 pips, because we broke the lows, right, on the 15, and now we're breaking lows on 30-minute. So there's no reason for us to be in the buys anymore. I was expecting this wick to get filled and eventually come up to this target, but this sell is currently in profit here, 10 pips in profit. So I'm gonna close 50% of my positions here. There you go. Yo.
Yeah.
10 pips in profit. I'm moving my GJ stop loss to entry here and let it run risk free coming down to this target on GJ. So lost 7 pips, caught 10 pips back, and then we have a runner for a potential this is a potential, how many pips is this move? $133, $131, that's about 58 pips. God damn.
Range up. Chop top. Bro, what a
Whose
clip
mic is that?
bro. Send you out.
Were you at cell stops in the 15?
Yeah,
No.
yeah.
Take micro X, bro.
Well, no, I mentioned sell stops earlier. I had sell stops from earlier. Because I said this, like, if it breaks this low, that I'm gonna have a coming down, so I had sell stops. 8.0 already.
Oh shit.
Sounds like your
good?
mic, bro. This guy just like,
Go to morning shit. You
this
good?
guy breathing into the mic.
Oh,
Coronavirus?
Just yawning, bro.
You good?
Moaning.
Yo, Sam, are you using your regular mic?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's why. I'm like, bro. Yeah, you can't hop on your other mic.
Echo out, boy.
Yeah, it's a little echo.
Is it echoey?
Yeah, hop on your PS4 mic.
This is my PS4 mic.
Oh, okay, never mind. Weird.
What?
What?
Is it echoey?
A little bit.
Oh, hello.
God damn.
Yeah, guys. So
Close.
the point of that, the point of today's stream is to show you guys that. Well, it's not the point, but it just came. You have to manage your trade correctly, right? The first trade, I closed it, instead of a 13 pip stop loss, I actually closed at -7 pips as it broke the 15-minute lows. And for this trade, we're actually making that back now, and plus double. You know, we're in like 18 pips profit right now, and we have 18 pips in profit, and we also, so that's like about like 3 times what we lost earlier. So man, all you gotta do is manage your risk, keep your losses small, and keep your winners big. And that's all you gotta do.
Yes, sir. When?
Look at GG, there's no traffic coming down to this target now.
Yeah, it's not gonna stop.
Not gonna stop, bro.
I'm thinking about adding that position. I don't know.
Nah, no.
Yeah, why we want to add here? Your stop's gonna be way
Yeah.
too big now.
Your stops are literally gonna be like,
40 pips.
yeah, don't enter when price is pushing like that.
Yeah.
Because those pullbacks
Like-
can kill you.
Like I knew that this is gonna be a more of a high chance of playing out than the buys if it were to break the lows, right? Because this is an easy like textbook play for me. So that's why I answered my normal position for 8.0 lot. But for the buy, as I mentioned earlier, I only answered with a 4.0 lot on that buy. Because it was just that it had nothing to do with how big a stop loss was. It had to do with the actual move itself. The body closed a little too weak, but I wanted to take a chance for the buys. Like I wanted to take a chance because price actually had a chance of coming up to fill a wick and eventually tapping that resistance, right? But the overall trend and the daily trend is still bearish. So I knew that if price breaks this 15-minute low here, 30-minute low here, it's gonna drive down to at least minimum tap the support here for 13 pips, and then at that point I'm gonna close 50% and leave a runner risk free till this target down here. Right, so that's why that's how the trade was managed. But now if you enter down here, man, I don't know, your stop's gonna be 32 pips and your target's gonna be 40 pips, 41 pips. But where you're gonna move stops to entry, where you're gonna do all of that at? It's gonna be too low, and you have a high chance of hitting your entry on the next candle if you actually move your stops to entry at like 10 pips or something. But yeah, it is like it's not that clean of a move down, like clean as in one candle, but I'm expecting it to eventually come down to this target here. But it's not like a one huge candle.
Slowly but surely.
Yeah, it's gonna be like one of those slowly but surely candles, but it's not. I wasn't looking at it as if like it's gonna be a one big countdown. Like I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a risk free right now, guys. So there's no trip on it. Yeah, just chill out. That's all you gotta do.
Rest in peace.
But yeah, DJ just flew past take profit done.
I didn't.
30. This 30 is crashing so hard.
TP didn't smash it on GJ.
No, not GJ.
Oh.
133. What? 133. 130.
118. Well, 131. 131.
131. Yeah.
Gold should come down here too.
Damn, lip smacking and everything.
Yo, someone is eating good.
Yeah, Sam fam, are you good, bro?
What?
Every time I go on the streets, I hear like these guys going like.
I hear the streets in the background. I hear the food being smashed on.
This guy's mic is hella clear, bro. I can hear every movement.
He was like, fuck y'all. Man, I'm gonna go crazy.
I don't think I think it's just this mouse clicking that's making that sound. I don't think it's actually him.
Yeah, I gotta drive milk right now.
Yo, you cut cells too, Sam? Or nah?
Nah, woke up late, bro.
You set like 3 alarms though.
Yeah, I think they're all busted or something because they like.
What time did you sleep, bro?
At like 3.
Bruh.
Jeez. Oh, my phone's about to die.
I mean, I
But the
slept
alarm
around
should
your
work,
time
no?
too.
Bruh.
I slept around your
This is, bro, it is weirdo on Instagram spamming me, right? And when I check the page, bro, they posted my dead homies, bro. What the hell is wrong with this person, bro? People are goddamn weird on the internet, bro.
Or like dissing him?
No, like they just keep posting pictures of him and shit. And, like it was this one picture they posted of me, him, other homie. I'm like, bro, it's goddamn weirdo, bro. Yo, this kid is goddamn weird.
I closed now at 15% here, guys. Closed a 5 out of a 8.
When that page first was made, they just used to post like dead people around my area and like people that got arrested and shit. I'm like, yo, you're a weird dude or girl, whoever's behind the page. Like, chill.
You think the next 1 hour pullback might hit entry? Maybe, but I don't know that for sure. I don't know how far it's gonna pull back, right? So that's why I'm closing majority of my profits here. Well, not majority. I'm closing like 65% here, because I don't know. Because next time I might hit entry, because it has to make a wake up, obviously, right? So all we gotta do is survive that wake up, and we should be good. But if it goes like something like this, we'll be good. But if it wicks all the way up like this, then it's gonna hit our entry. Then you know, it's gonna go down. But it is what it is. But I'm not gonna put that risk online where I'm gonna let the trade run, anticipating that it's not gonna like, betting against that it's not gonna hit my entry, right? Because I don't know if it hits my entry. I don't know if it's gonna go down or not, because it still has a chance of going up, you know. Because technically the 1 hour stop loss is all the way up here at 130, 134.291, right? So that's technically where price shouldn't break if it wants to go down. But yeah, we have entries down here, so like I'm not gonna really force anything else. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
But wherever
What's your buys?
on the 15-minute right here. That's smart a lot right here on 30-minute actually. Close bullish.
Oh, with the big wig?
Yeah, but like the body was so small, so like I was kind of sus about it too as well. But I wanted to try and attempt. But you know, guys, now I know. So I'm gonna later on. I'm gonna you know,
The gulag play.
I'm gonna, cause this happened to me before actually. So I kind of had a little hesitation in my mind as well. Where this is a kind of I usually trade. This is a buy that I usually take a buy on, but the body had to be bigger, you know. And when the body is a little too small,
You on mute, bro?
I'm not mute. What happened? Oh, but anyways, yeah. So whenever the body is too small, I usually just like, you know, I can't really
DJ's up 40 pips.
Oh god damn! I'm closing my positions here. Oh,
Yeah, I closed another like.
I closed out here, guys, on my positions on GJ. But the trade and for VIP and everything's still running. I'm just comfortable with my TP here, and I'm good to go. God damn.
43, 45.
Ooh.
What the fuck?
God damn.
46.
Damn, bro.
God damn. I'm closing my positions here, guys. I'm closing here. I'm closing here. You guys should close here too.
We're done for today. Goodbye, boys.
45
Y'all better
pips.
not sell.
The reason why I closed this was because it kind of had no top wick. Here.
Yeah, no top word.
Pull back.
Perfect. Caught lost 7 pips today on the buy, but caught 45 pips on the sell. You know.
Put that, boy. Ah, wow. See? I think I should wake up late more.
Yeah, because the reason why I closed here, guys, was because the fact that here, let me actually update this list. GJ sells plus
Bro, I gotta turn my
45
PC off to see everything better.
pips. The reason why I closed
Oh my
here,
God.
yeah, there goes.
Dang, I should have a little bit more.
No, shut up. Don't say that shit, bro. That shit pisses me off whenever people say that.
Shut up. No,
Like that shit piss. If you wanted to hold it, you would have held it, bro. Like that shit just. I hate when people say that shit. I hate it. Like that's something that I hate so much.
My bad. I used
Like-
the word.
Like I close here, I'm happy. Like, I don't care. If GJ drops another like 100 pips today, I don't care. I don't care what happens. I'm happy with this move. I analyze this move, and this is my TP. I'm comfortable taking profit here, and that's it. But whatever it does later, I don't care what happens later. It can drop 1,000 pips. This can be the last drop of a GJ of a lifetime. I don't care what happens. I'm still gonna catch my 10 pips every day. You know, like this is good for me. I'm done. I'm off of this trade. But I'm never guys, never be like, man, I should have held it. Man, I should have closed it. Man, I should have done this. Should have done that. If you wanted to do that, you would have done it. But your comfort level told you that you had to close there, so you closed there. And my comfort level was right there, and because of this kind of had no top wick, and it never pulled back. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna close here because it kind of has a high chance of pulling back up, right? And you want to do what would happen, what would be the best scenario for every position. So in this position, I'll close it because price usually pulls back up if it has no top wick on the candle to make that top wick, and then it eventually pushes down, right? So I didn't want to take that risk, so I wanted to just close it right there and secure my profits. But man, if GG drops out 100 pips and I hear someone say, "Fuck, man, I should have held today. I should have held," you know, then
Alright, we good. I'm done for today.
yeah, it's good. It's good. You know, just,
No, lose 36, make 54 back. No problem at all. Bro, my friend said he bought DJ. What the hell is wrong with you?
Hey, damn.
Bro, what?
Rest in peace.
Oh shit. Oh, never mind.
Oh boy.
He caught the sell. Oh, thank God. Look, he texted me because like the first thing he said he bought. Then I'm like, are you fucking serious? But he said he closed it early once he seen like the candle flip. I'm like, good shit. Then he caught a 68 move down. 68 pip move down. Just scared me, bro. Cause bro, he be popping like standards and shit, bro. Scaring the fuck out of me.
if you guys AF this call, leave a like on the stream. Leave a like. Oh, chat's going crazy. My fault. I didn't read this. Trade C not what you want exactly. Trade C not what you want. You think the next one? We answered that already. Thank you, Don. Good trade, bro. I just made back all I lost last night. Thanks. You a lifesaver? Yes. Nice call. 30 pip move. Nice. Nice, guys. Yeah, 30 pip move. You entered late. But if you had to sell stuff, here, like I mentioned, you would have been good. So, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Warzone stream? Yeah, I'm not that good yet. You're not popping standards yet? I am. I pop 8 standards there.
Man, I'm not a standard man. Give me, mark my words. What's today?
No.
18th.
It will come when it comes, bro.
Alright, by the end of- by
No,
the end
no.
of this
It
year-
will come when it comes, bro. It will come when it comes, bro.
I'm telling
There's
you,
no
man,
end of
it's a
this
big
year.
difference, bro.
It will come when it comes. You can pop 100 lot by the end of this year. Who knows? But when it will come when it comes, bro. There's no due date. There's no rush, bro.
0.10 to 1.0, big difference.
This guy Jimmy gonna pop 100 lot by the end of the year. Don't worry.
Big difference.
I'm finna make.
Patience.
Yeah.
Drop the 300 bomb.
Yo, Monto, try and run Warzone. Try and run Warzone later, bro. After the stream. It was cold.
He said was on the
Don
screen.
is cold.
Yeah, that
he is. He is Stephon Curry.
I got 3 dubs this week, bro. Come on now, quit playing with me.
Yo, we on that. Wasn't.
Yeah, you get carried, bro.
Bro, try.
200 occasion, bro. Do not play with us, bro.
How much capital would you want for a standard? Standard lot maybe.
3,000.
No, it's
About 5,000 plus. 5,000 plus.
Yeah, Sam, pop a
5,000
standard.
plus.
5,000 plus for a standard lot. Technically 10,000, right? Because I would say like
Oh, yeah,
I'll say
100%.
0.10 per $1,000 account, but yeah, it depends, man. Oh, 100 lot? Oh, brother, I don't know, bro. You need like a you need
a
like
million or some shit.
you need a million. You need a million.
Million
Half a
at
mil, bro.
least. Yeah.
Million
Mil,
lot.
quarter mil. To be comfortable, bro.
Yeah, you need to be comfortable. You need that's what you need.
Cause 100 lot. Let me run the demo. All right, so 100 lot.
That's
on eBay,
$1,000 a pip.
Yeah, I'd be sweating.
Bruh.
1,000?
Jordan.
Just
10
imagine.
pips. Yo,
5
imagine.
pips, 5K,
Imagine.
negative
Look,
5.
look, look. You catch 5 pips on the 100 lot, right? Like 50 bands, bro. Off
yeah,
of no
but
work.
just like
Yeah,
that.
but you negative 5 pips and it's stressing it.
Bro, 5 pips?
But for $1 million, you're not. For $1 million, you're not. Like if you just it's, I don't know.
Throw a million trade account, pop 100 lots.
Are you done for a day for trades? Yeah, I'm done for a day.
Making 5 pips on the new account.
Bro, this no,
Bro,
imagine
imagine
1,000
slapping
though.
imagine slapping 100 lot on US 30. That's wow.
Bro, you move 1 pip in profit, you're done for the year, bro. Goodbye.
Honest to God.
I'm telling you. Just, bruh, imagine 1,000 lot, right?
Bro.
You caught that shit once. Catch a good move like we just did. Done. You're done for like 2 years at least.
1,000 lot on US 30, bro. You're retired.
Bro, you're set for life. Bro, you won a lottery.
You're retired, bro. Bro.
You won the lottery.
Yeah, you just way less tradable here.
Way less tradable. Now it's just like, I'm not. My day's done here, based on the fact that I'm not gonna be interested in any trades here. I'm gonna be on a stream. I'm gonna look at like GJ and US30 and everything else. But if there's a move, right? Maybe like you can get sells below this ranger, coming down to like this support. But it's just very, 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 very choppy. Super choppy.
Like a wick fill or something.
Hey, bro, everything dropping again, man. US30. Oh, that's it.
Yeah, it's very.
All the index is dropping.
Is it because of Rona again?
Yeah, they're talking about it again.
Goodness.
Like, look, I'm reading every
It's
article
back on CNN
CNBC.
again.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Bruh, drops
Oh
300 points. Oh my
Bro,
god.
this shit is never gonna be gone, man.
Bruh, we're done. China closes, US opens. Good shit. Good job. Good job, Mr. Trump. Good shit.
Gold sells. How many pistols are gold sells? I called gold sells earlier. It was about I think it was a 40 pip range, 42 pip range.
Dang. You called it at when? 17 what?
After the 30-minute close there. I think after this. This candle right here, 1724. About 42 pips, 40 pips. I thought you entered, Sam.
How? No. I woke up after you entered.
Cause after we came out was when I just entered.
Yeah, that's when we entered the buy,
Maybe.
when Sam joined.
No, we entered a sell.
Buy.
Oh yeah, when we closed the buy.
We entered and then we closed it a little bit early, and then as soon as the 15 broke, I think.
I think I hopped on like right after you took the sell. But like I wasn't like there to analyze it or anything.
Gotcha.
Should I do another $100 challenge?
Do you want to do it?
You think now the monthly is going bearish? Monthly? Yeah, it could. Yeah, it could. This might be the quick way to go up, right? You can come down easy to 129 if you want to. It's just.
Bro, what?
The monthly, if it flips bearish, it has a high chance because I had no bond wick, and that's the next traffic for on the monthly time frame to look left. But like, yeah, I'm still gonna catch my 10 pips every day, you know. GG can go up. GG can go up to 199. Or it can go down to $20. Who knows? But I'm still gonna catch my 10 pips every day, and that's the thing. That's why I love I love the 10 pip movement. 10 pip movement gang, you know. That's how I call it. $100 to 1,000. Yo, imagine I do a $100 challenge. I take one trade and I have a runner for like 5,000 pips, and it hits TP, and that's a whole trade. That's the whole account.
Bro, it's Thursday. I thought today was a whole Wednesday, bro. Yo, did I sleep through time or something, bro?
I did the $100 challenge before, but yeah, we did it, but no one really followed along because people just, I don't know, they lost hope or something. I don't know what happened, but they maybe lost hope or something. But it played out after 3 months. It took us 3 months, and we hit $1,000 on it from $100. I remember the day we hit it. It was kind of relief.
Yeah.
I'm like, I'm done with this account.
It was off a gold buyer, right?
It was off of gold, US30, and GG, gold, GG, and US30.
No, I'm talking about the one that made it 1,000.
Oh, the last one? Oh yeah, it was a 40 pip gold move. 40 pips.
Yo, but
Everyone was hating. It was like, bro.
Oil got my oil's we started with a 0.01 lot on that account with oil. And after we got that account to like 140 off the first day, cause it was like 500 pips in profit. It was crazy, 400 pips in profit that day. Cause it was a trade the signal I gave out where I think Iran striked the military base, or no, U.S. striked the Iran's base or something. Remember that day? The war started.
No, it was the U.S. drone.
The drone.
The oil rig.
Yeah, that day I gave a signal. I gave a signal 5 minutes before for a buy, and US oil went up 500 pips that day. I remember that day.
It went to it was at I think it was at 40, and it jumped to 56, just like that.
Us have $100? Yeah, you guys have $100 and you guys load up whatever, but it's only for a VIP channel. I did it once, but I don't think I'm gonna do it again. Like it's a waste of time for me. For me, it's a waste of time. It's not really gonna do much for me.
We're not trying to prove no points anymore. We're trying to get N1. Right. Gotta put security up the moment. Bro, I still want an Android, bro.
What?
All these cool features they could. 125. Cool. Cause like you can put the chart in one corner and like the power screen in another. Oh well, just put it as your main screen. Cool. Apple can never. Looking at. Nah, I don't need it, so I'm not gonna do it. Sheesh, everyone's selling GJ to the ground.
Yup, signal was given. Signal was given.
Oh, what happened that?
Cut losses.
That did not happen in the morning.
Yeah.
No way that happened in the morning. Look, no what? Okay. Oh, 134. Yeah, that happened.
Hey bro, sorry to interrupt stream. You can message me all if you guys have Telegram, just message me on Telegram. There's no like, you guys aren't interrupting me. I'm all good here. Hey bro, I wanted to interrupt stream. I wanted to ask if I could make my own down.
Dang. 93,000 cases in Texas. 80,000 cases in, oh my god. 59,000 here. 158,000 in Cali. Jesus Christ, they're dead. Yikes. Yikes. I'm moving to Canada. Naruto running over here.
We better reopen just now.
You're letting everything reopen, so it's just.
Bro, we're dead. Bro, China closing, we're opening, we're dead.
I mean, bro, it's up to you if you want to go out or not, you know?
Yeah, I'm not going out, fuck that. I was thinking about going out, I'm like, nope. Not finna risk it, bro. My friends keep inviting me to his little shit.
Wow, somebody said I should be thanking you. I almost lost all my money.
Who said that?
Some guy in VIP.
This is up. Are you done for the? I'm reading in the chat. $100 to summer is over at this point. It is not a hot boy summer. It is a staying in the house, running up to next year's summer.
Oh, 2020 is just.
Oh, what's your trading platform, Don?
What?
Someone asked in the chat.
Traders, no man.
MT5.
Before.
MT5.
MT5.
55.
Oh man, I hope everyone had a great day today. Like up the stream, man. We should get more likes than this. 22 likes, bro. What is that? What am I seeing in my eyes right now? We got 45 pips, bro. That should be 45 likes.
That's crazy.
The long position ratio is really off right now.
What am I seeing in my eyes, bro? That should be 40 likes.
I think we should stop streaming, bro, since they're not respecting us, bro. I think we should stop, bro. What type of disrespect was
that?
22, yeah, the ratio, the stop loss to TP ratio is really off here. Yeah, I'm not like this or something.
I'm just playing. Yeah, I'm just playing, guys. But you know, likes will be appreciated, though. Likes will be appreciated. you know, it's a free like. There's no cost. It's just one like. You know, I give you guys free signal. You know, for free signal, free signal. You know, free call, free breakdown, free everything. You know, the way you guys should learn today though is the main goal to get out of today was cut your losses short and leave your runners big. And by cutting your losses short, I do not mean because it's at a certain drawdown that you should cut your losses short. No, cut your losses short based off a smaller time frame. You see, I cut GJ buys short based off the 15-minute break in the lows and then closing as the doji, and that's why I close it short, right? But it shouldn't be based on the fact that, man, I'm down $4 or $5, I'm gonna close here because I don't like this drawdown. No, that's not how it should work. It should work based off of price breaking the lows on a smaller time frame. And then we got into sells, and then look at our winner. It ran. How many times is this? What's 45 divided by 7? 6.5 times the amount we lost. So, man, all you had to do, which is be patient, keep your losses short, let your runners big, and understand price action. And understand the, have the market control there, and you would have caught this move.
Hop in the course next month.
You? You could have got it for free for the giveaway, bruh.
We supporting homies on here, bro. We play full price.
Louis Vuitton doesn't do no discounts.
Louis Vuitton doesn't. Wait.
Nah, they don't only do discounts. They don't. They don't. Like,
I was like, wait. On Black Friday, they slick good Black.
Gucci does sometimes.
No.
Like, Gucci does it on like Essence and stuff like that. Like, Saint Laurent, like those brands do it. But Louis Vuitton, they don't do family and friends discounts, bro. They don't do none of that.
Dang, yo, the new Microsoft Internet Explorer looks so nice, bro. What the heck? That should have been updated my computer. What?
Are you on Windows 7?
Jeez, this looks like. Oh my god.
Oh, my monitor's coming, by the way.
Monitor?
Yeah.
Curve, bro?
No, just a little gaming monitor. I spelled monitor wrong. I'm this one.
Can you get that big boy? Big boy one?
No, it's a 24. No, it's a gaming one. So I want to be a small screen for gaming.
Gotcha.
But maybe in the future I might get a wide screen or something for trading, like a 30-something inch, or for trading. But this.
I'm gonna see the monthly, the daily, the yearly. Oh, that's nice. Nice.
It rotates vertically too, so you know the vibes.
Hey, mine does that too, bro. We lit.
You know the vibes.
The vibes crazy.
I need a mouse pad though.
Bruh.
PC coming soon.
I never knew how expensive they were, bruh. I'm like, yo, y'all trying to judge me?
Yeah, I'm gonna get that.
I was like,
LV never.
that was like $1. Bro. It was like $5.
Gucci has sales, LV has no sales. Yeah, exactly. So VIP is never gonna have a sale. When the day when Louis Vuitton has a sale, I'll put a sale on my course. But until then, there's no sale on the course. If anything, prices are gonna continue to go up. Right? I'm probably gonna raise prices up.
The only time where LP has sales is when it's in Saks or Neiman's. Other than that, it's never from the direct store.
Yeah, never. See this price, guys? This is the lowest you guys gonna see the course ever in your life. The lowest price you're gonna see it at. Lowest, cause at first I was gonna make it a little higher, but then I wanted to make it a little lower because it's just like people don't have I'm not that big yet, but so I put my prices a little shorter, a little smaller because people don't have. I'm trying to give like a little, a lot of people like, cause right now we have like over 100 members, like 105 or something members that has a course. We need a small sample size, and then now that we have that sample size, I can start to like raise up the price because we have a lot more like testimonies and a lot more people that have the course. But yeah, that's the lowest you guys gonna see the course, man. The lowest. GJ finally made a top wick. Okay. Yeah, it made a top wick here. Oh, that's gold. Never mind. GJ didn't make a top wick yet. I thought it was 150, 250 USD. 250 USD is not the course. 250 USD is signals. Taking your lock. How much did you pay for VIP? This guy paid $50 for VIP. Lock was literally the second member to pay for VIP. Is Lock still here? Oh, he dipped.
I said 45 pips. I'm done.
This guy paid
This
me
was like, okay. Right.
last July. He paid for VIP. He's like one of the first ones. I remember last June or something. Last May actually. It was $50. $50 for VIP.
Best investment ever.
$50 for VIP, fam. And so, like, look at that. Till this day, look at what he like. Look at the how big the group and shit grew. How much more knowledge we give now in a group. Pretty crazy still. I'm not gonna lie. How much you paid Jimmy? 170, right? 150?
I think it was like, hold on, let me check my PayPal. It was.
That was 170. This was around July.
Let's see. Gmail. Let's see, PayPal.
I think I'd be like 200, but I joined like October.
Oh yeah, you joined after the course. You joined a little later.
Yeah. But I joined as soon as like that, right after New York.
NYC.
Yeah, I was like, you know what? Yeah, this is it.
$217K.
Oh, that's 170, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, 180. Not too bad. Not too bad. 1 USD equals 1.2788 CAD. What type of conversion is that? Big.
I paid $70 back then. Damn, so I'm gonna pay $70 for VIP. See? Man. And Luis Santiago, tell me how much knowledge you've gained from the education chat. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying, guys? You know what I'm saying?
Know what I'm saying?
The lesson of the day, man. This is a lesson I hope you guys learned. I hope you guys understood too, because man, I didn't give the loss on purpose. That loss, I cut it short, right? But like, I'm kind of happy it happened because now you guys have a better understanding of how to keep your losses short and your runners big. This is a perfect example of that, you know? Perfect example of that. And this is what's gonna keep you in the game in the long run. I'm telling you, if you keep cutting your losses short and your runners big, continue to do that forever, and it will keep you in the game a lot longer. If you let your losses big and your runners small, man, that's not gonna work out, man. Like, it's not gonna work out. If there's one code to trading, this is the code. Simple as it sounds, this is the code to trading, man. This is the goal. Keep losses small, runners big. And I'm still working on keeping my losses small. Like I think in May I worked on getting my losses small. And it kind of worked out. I did a pretty good job at it, but I'm still trying to improve. Hello, even though IMO made me take a break from Forex, but I'm back for it good now. I'm making my money down then. Yeah. iMarketsLive.com.
Oh, brother. Oh, I thought you were saying go on it.
No. No free promo.
Jonas session.
No free promo, fam. No free promo.
Jonas roast session, bro.
Was the first competition. What's the next giveaway? Next giveaway is gonna be maybe next month. So keep a lookout for that. It'll be maybe 2 winners maybe this time? 1 winner? Who knows? 3 winners?
Never mind. I'm entering giveaway. See if I get lucky.
It's gonna be on the wheel.
Either way, I'm getting the court.
Yo, you should enter the last one, bruh. Whoopin'.
Bruh.
It was kind of lit in the stream too. We just spit. I don't think you were there. We spun it and then it was kind of funny.
I was asleep. I was asleep that day.
This is the first loss, guys. Second loss of the month.
18 days.
On the streams and first loss of the week. Sadly. It's alright.
Sadly.
But you know what? In May, we had 4 losses. So like we're on pace for 4 losses again.
Oh no! We're not on pace. This might be the last loss of the month. No more slipping up. What do you mean by third time, Mr. Justin?
Man, I was runner up last time. You're runner up. There's no runner up. There's no runner up.
What
What
are
do
the
you?
requirements for a giveaway? Is that what you mean, Mr. Justin Foreman?
Gonna be a good highlight video today.
Owl Farrell. Oh, it sounds like Travis Scott album. Anything for that money, I go down. Hey, Thursday. Crazy. And I'm off Saturday. Yes, sir.
Gone, that shit. But I couldn't. Oh. No, so it was.
I'm reading the YouTube channel that yeah, that's where I'm from, Atlanta. Oh, dang, seas? No.
Don, how could you announce this 3 counts, 7 counts back? 7 counts back on this time frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This candle? These counts. Oh, dojis. So dojis. So
Oh, brother.
um.
Twin.
Alright, so yeah, these counts right here, these 3 counts right here, this low range right here. It's technically a range. You're in a range right now, right? But when candle closed doji, what it means is that price opened up here and it closed there. So nothing happened. So what you do those candles is you block out the noise. You go like this, take out this dark thing. You go like cover it up like so.
Yeah.
Cover this up like this. And then now it's no doji. So now all you gotta look at is this candle right here. As long as this candle respects, oh, that's not my color. As long as that
That was the question I was trying to ask yesterday.
as long as this candle respects this high, we should be able to come down. So these dojis are like, technically your stop loss should still be this candle right here. These candles are invalid. Just cover it up. Nothing really happened. Yeah, that's how I deal with dojis.
I was trying to ask, what do you do in situations where you see like 2 dojis in a row, 2, 3 dojis?
Yeah, they're just dojis. What is the FTMO link? There's no FTMO link. I think what I mentioned was FTMO about the FTMO account is that you can use the signals for the FTMO challenge, but I never said anything about affiliate or anything. I have nothing with them. I was just saying because I see a lot of people, you know, blowing their shit on the FTMO account, and also I see a lot of people making profit in the VIP because I see they have an FTMO account. I see how they have GBP, GPY, after they have comma IMAX. That's usually an FTMO account. So that's how I know it's an FTMO account. And yeah, I see a lot of people profiting off it, but I think Robert's in it too. I don't know how he's doing, but Lock finishes FTMO shit. I don't know. Hey Don, what is the situation where market will come back up and fill the gap if those 3 counts mean nothing? So gaps are simple, man. This is all you gotta do for gaps. This is all you gotta do. So whenever you have something like this for a gap, you have a move coming down like this on GJ. Let's say yes, something like this, and then you have a gap like this the next day, the next Monday, yeah, right? So now you have this gap, that little range. All you gotta do here is draw a candle like this, cover that up, and boom. That's all a gap is. It's just a candle. So whenever price fills the gap, you know, price fills the gap, whatever you want to call it, it's just this wick making a top wick like that, and then coming back down. That's all that it is. Is that new candle making a top wick come back down? So that's why people say, oh, I'm gonna have a sell limit here, and so I'm gonna call it, you know, I'm gonna call it the bank trading away, this and that. Man, all price is doing is making a top wick, a lower high to go down. That's all that is. And you can take it as whatever you guys want. You can say that price filled the gap. You can take it as, you know, it's a bank move. You can take whatever you want. But all it really is just a candle made a lower high to go down. And that's how gaps work. Some, you know.
Right, I'm gonna write that down in my diary. I mean, train channel.
How's that diary? You said they don't matter, so I thought, no, it doesn't mean it's a gap. It means those dojis just mean that nothing happened. It closed and opened where it was.
Yo, I just woke up again.
Bruh.
What the fuck?
Yo, tell me how much you paid for VIP the first time. It was like $50, no?
Yeah.
Crazy.
Just US 30.
Yeah, it was just your 30 signals at the time.
Bruh.
Locke, if you guys haven't known, one person I'll thank for this is Locke, because Locke actually put me on to Forex. I remember the exact day he put me on. It was like Christian. It was February 16 or something like that. I remember the exact day. No, my bad. It was late March, right? It was like March 8 or something. First week of March. Put me on. I was at school still, and then this guy put me on Forex, and then a year and a half later, we're here live streaming. I would have never known. Never known. Just complete random.
Shout out to Locke, a true king. What are the chances, bro?
What are the chances, right?
Bro, what are the chances?
And
Like,
here we
bruh.
are streaming.
Yo, if I didn't know about, man, cause I know about stocks and shit. That's whatever.
Yeah, same here.
But yo, Forex, one time I'm like, boy, what the hell? I was like, yo, see, my friend, like, he was, man, like, I'm a quick story. Cause, you know, we just chilling. Alright, so one of my friends from high school, he pitched me in the IML. Cause I thought that's how Forex works. Like, you know, so IML, you know, you trade, then bada boom, bada bang. But now that over time, I learned, like, bruh, this shit is marketing, bruh. I didn't pay not one monthly fee. You got me spent everything on that. Yeah, bruh. I was like, dang, this shit is so consistent.
Oh, yo, Sam, you could have sell here, Sam, if you missed it.
I know. You could've-
GG.
No, not even sell stops. Just like market X here, bro. It would have been a clean like 24 pips for that wick. So yeah, we should be able to break that low and come down here in 132.867. God damn.
Yeah, hey down. I just got those pips there that dropped down there.
Oh, what up, bro?
Boy Sharif,
Oh my.
Hey guys.
It's the winner.
my boy, what's up, what's up?
What happened, Sharif? What happened? Say it again. I couldn't hear you.
I just got that wick fill.
Oh, you caught it? Oh, nice. See? See? Come on, guys.
Part of,
I have
part UK is from, man.
literally the course has a section for wick fills.
Hey. So thanks to that course, man. So thanks to that course.
Let me log in. Let me log in.
But the real question is, what's your top
Yo, info.
football?
Nah, there's no password there. Let me log in. Watch this. Literally, wick fill section. I'll play the whole video actually in the wick fill section. I'll play the whole video actually. You guys can get some exclusive content today.
No. We're playing that tomorrow.
No wick candles. Where is it? No wick candles. Trade management. Fake outs 1.0 to candles 2.0. Do I have it? Hold on. I gotta. I'm gonna have to cover this up. Hold on. What section is it in? Maybe hard mode?
Either way. I did this, but
Where is it? No wick fills. I have a whole section on wick fills. I know I do. Let's see. Wait, I don't have a. Is that on candles 1.0 or candles 2.0? Where is it, man? Come on. Did I delete it? Am I tripping, guys? Where's the wick flow at? Hey Sharif, what section was it at? I forgot. I don't even know my own course. I don't even know my own course, guys. Hold on.
Probably like medium or something. No?
It's not there. I think it's in like candles. I don't know if I have a separate wick flow video or I deleted it. Where is it?
Yo, GJ picks is low. Oh, it's gone.
Yes, sir.
It already broke it.
It's been a lot. Them put like 10 positions in already. 2 positions in.
Oh, you see that? Like 13th
Right, I'm
position.
like, wait, I don't even see where it says like the lot size. All I see is
That's
like
so
dotted
joke.
lines.
Yo, everything was all put at SL to entry too.
Too clean.
They're all like 0.10s or like 0.15s.
Points.
Oh, brother, I'm trying to find it. If I call it how to accounts 2.0, accounts 2.0 maybe.
No wick candles?
No, Wickfills. Where I talk about Wickfills at? I know I talk about them all the time.
Yeah, I don't know if you made an individual video on it though.
I talked about it in the course like 1,000 times, no?
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
There's a new video to be made.
I'm gonna make a separate video for it though, but you know, guys, where is it? Here, let me try.
Hey, Don.
Yo, what up?
DJ just broke his own. That was made on the first of the month. Would you look for to continue downward?
Maybe. Yeah, like looking at the monthly, it can easily come down to 129, but it's just that, where is it? Monthly right here. Easily come down to 129. It's just, I'm not looking to hold a position for that long. Like, this would be my target, right? If price does come down, but I'll look for sells like every day for like on a smaller time frame, you know, like 10 pips here, 10 pips there every day. But I'm not gonna like hold position for this long. You know, like whenever I say targets out, I usually like, so let's say you have a 100 pip range. I'm usually gonna catch like around 40, 30 pips in that range, technically. Like I'm not gonna try to catch the whole range because it's kind of hard to catch a whole range. I'm probably gonna catch a little bit of that range, you know. But yeah, like that's how I do a target. I give a target and I just catch a small move within a target, a small range within a target. Oh man, this video is lovely. This video on this video on the course is lovely. Look at this. How to trade a Fago. Oh brother, too much info here. What is a Fago? Blah, this, you know, all this. Boom, 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 man. Look at this. This is a sauce right here. Fakeouts?
Press the record button on your phone.
It's a video, but you know, I'm not gonna play it. It's a 9-minute video, but yeah. That's all, guys. I can't find a Wickfill section right now, but there is a Wickfill section. I know that for a fact. Wait, graphics.com. Only I showed it. There we go. Where is it? Yeah, I'm adding more videos next week. I'm gonna start recording. It's once a month. Look at this. Look at this candle section. Candles 1.0. Momentum. What is that? You know, look at this. Breakdown of every candle. Literally every candle. Fagos 1.0. Oh shit. Look at this.
DJ pushing.
I'm giving too much sauce here. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna log out. Yeah, GJ pushing down. GJ pushing down? Yeah, it is.
And Don just popped a 10 light on the
65 viewers. Welcome everyone. Welcome everyone. Welcome to this live stream today. It was an amazing day today. You know, if you guys are joining late in, 70 viewers now. Wow. If you guys are coming in late, man, earlier we caught -7 pips today, and then we caught 4 or 5 plus pips later. We cut our losses, we keep our losses small, and we let our runners big, and look what happened
Earlier you
today.
got into that cell.
Yo, Sam, shout out to that story that you sent me, bro, on IG. Shit, fire.
Yeah, that was real shit.
That shit was real shit.
Bam!
Yeah.
Look at these cells.
Damn.
Sam, you in it? Oh, you're not in it, right?
Nah.
This is your entry,
I
dog.
think,
This
I
is.
think I would have rather had not a market X, but a sell stop below the 15-minute bullish candle.
Oh, 15-minute hell bullish candle?
Because 1 hour.
Oh yeah, that's clean. Yeah. Right, that could work too.
It happened hella quick though. That literally happened in 1 minute.
Well, you had 1 minute to enter it, bro.
Yeah, I wasn't looking. I wasn't even looking at the charts. I was just, cool.
Come on, man. Can't be lacking, man.
I'd be lacking too much.
You traded Asian yesterday. You caught the cells, right?
Yeah,
Clean
I
cells.
like the perfect entry yesterday, but I closed.
Bro,
it
I
for
caught
you,
that
but
buy
it's-
on market open, bro. I had to pull out quick, cause yo, I seen like the no top wick. I'm like, I'm gone, bro. I'm done for Asian.
Yeah, Asian was busted. Nah, I had a good ass week this week.
76 viewers. Where are you guys coming from? What up, guys? God damn, can we hit 100 viewers today?
Alright, I think it's time for extra trade. Looking at it. Going free game.
Can we enter GVGPY? No, not yet. You can't. Because, your entries would have been either up here at this when price broke below this candle, or it can be right here where this wick fell, right coming down to this support, and anticipating that's gonna break that support, come down here. But other than that, you don't have much range anymore for cells to come down, because the day support is right here around these two levels right here. This level is day support, and this is like the clean traffic kind of support, and this is a safe TP level right here. This is where I'll take profit. But yeah, below here is gonna be a bit risky because you have a smaller range. So much you can do in it.
Dang, bro. Clean. Super clean.
Can I make my font different on this? No, you can't, right? This thing sucks. Zoom options sucks, man. Why can't I make a different font here? Or have a different font size? Then go settings. No, I can't. Yeah, this sucks. The clean part throwing me off. Well, yeah, so clean traffic support means like when price so this is a clean traffic support. Well, I wouldn't recommend because for example this over here, going hourly. Close these tabs up. That course is slowing down my computer now. Too much heat in there. It's slowing down my computer. So this, look left. Whenever price breaks below this ranger, it has a chance of coming down to this support down here. You see that happen many times here. It happened right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times here in that range, right? So that's a clean traffic candle for me. So that's why price has no struggle coming down to that area once it breaks the support here. But now if you look left, what do you have? You have this. Look at this. Now you have this. This is nasty now. Now you have this. You have this. You got this. And you got, look at this. You have a gap there. You have all this mess here. So this is a little messy. And the range is a bit smaller too. So here, I wouldn't recommend taking sells. I mean, you could take sells, but it won't be the cleanest move you will have. And I go for the cleanest move possible. So this is something that I wouldn't enter off of. This is something I'm not interested in, and I'll probably wait for a setup tomorrow or tonight during the Asian session. I think Asian session, I'm starting to like get a little a hand on it. I have like a way better understanding. Yeah.
It's really good. Yeah.
Like I'm trying to like get very accurate with the Asian session. Like I could treat it like New York now, but I don't know.
Just less moves for sure.
Less moves, but like there's always that move out. There's always one move. There's always one move during the Asian session. Always.
But
Always.
what time? I was trying to ask a stupid question. Never mind. Shut up.
Google.com, my friend. Google.com, my friend. Nah, yeah, Asian opens at 7. Well, during the winter it opens at 7 p.m. But during the summer it opens at 8 p.m. Eastern until 5 a.m. Cause you have the time zone.
Daylight savings.
Daylight savings, yeah. So it's an hour. I don't know why London doesn't change. That's weird. But the Asians changes. I think cause when the market opens, I don't know, bro. I don't know, but bro.
That's some like vortex shit.
Bro, you should do an Asian stream. Yeah, we're doing an Asian stream soon. Sam's gonna host it. Maybe like in the next couple months, maybe.
You already know.
I'm not gonna do it because I'm not a burden to this stuff, man. Like I trade during New York, and I don't feel like I should be able. I'm gonna be actually, I don't think I'm gonna be okay if I just talk during New York and Asian, you know, for 3 hours a day, bro. Like you guys probably have enough of me during the New York session, so there's no point of me streaming the Asian session again.
Me and Taj in London in a few months. Gonna be a London demon again, bro. The times is gonna gotta get right first. I'm not ready.
Yeah, hopefully by the end of the summer we'll be able to get that popping.
Yeah, end of the summer. I'm forcing myself.
Yeah, it just depends.
Yeah, we'll see.
Hi guys. Hi Trader Tom. Trader Tom, what up, Trader Tom?
Jeez, 80 viewers.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Cherry Tom.
If you guys rewind a clip, we caught sells today. We caught the sells. We caught those sells after the buy. Right after. It wasn't a trade that I called.
Oh, my bad.
Like these, if you guys look right, these are trades I called, right? I called Jesus buys and Jesus sells, but I didn't actually enter off them. To the left here, this is the trades I entered today. These trades over here. This is why I entered. But yeah. Alright, guys, it's like 9 a.m. Oh, gold's gonna continue to come down here. Broke the lows of the 15-minute. Nah, bro, stream whenever you're trading, bro. Your motivation. Thanks, bro. I appreciate that. I actually appreciate that, man. Yo, I think gold's gonna come down here. To this retest the low here, 1719. The offs are a little big though. I don't know if I would enter this. A negative RR. This range is a bit small. Yeah, so what gold was, guys, it was the way I looked at gold earlier, the reason why I mentioned sells for gold was the fact that this right here is a fake out. So if you guys go go back to the 1 hour time frame. I think I just showed this video on the course, but you have this range here, and then as this range right here, so this is your range, right? And then as price starts to break above that range, this is where people enter buys at. People enter buys like right here on this candle, anticipating that it's gonna continue to go up. And then what happened later was this candle actually closed bearish, but not only did it close bearish, it closed bearish back in the range. So when it comes back in the range, whose mic is that?
It's like that.
When it comes back in the range, it has a high chance of filling the range and tapping the support, and then it also has a high chance of breaking that support. So it has, I usually say all the time, you guys probably hear it say every day, 85% chance of filling the range and 75% chance of filling of continuing. But at this point, bro, I swear to God, bro, I don't think it's an 85% chance anymore. I think it's like a 90, bro. Like this, for the past like 2 months, I said that one move has never failed me yet. But yeah, it has a chance of has a good chance of filling the range and has a high chance of continuing down. The reason for that is because it's a fake out, sure, but price is breaking support here. This price is made a resistance here, and then it broke out resistance. Now this comes to support. So when it breaks support, it's gonna come down to the next support, which is down here. So that's why price fills the range, and that's what a range is. It's support and resistance, right? And that's how a fake out works. And then what happened later for gold was gold actually pushed down further, and it broke down the other support as well. Come down to this next support down here. And that's how I call those sells earlier for gold. But yeah, that's how a fake out works. The winners today is news buys and sells. Thank you guys to be here. Thank you. Like up the stream, guys. Like up the stream. 75 viewers. Let's get to 50 likes. 50 or 60 likes. I know we can get it. I know we can hit that.
One more like.
But we can get 100 viewers today. That'll be insane too. Bro, you're so good at this analysis thing. How long have you been trading? A year and a half. I started last March. But trust me, man. Trust me, man. I've been through every single strategy out there in the books. I swear I did. I tried trading with the banks. I tried trading with market manipulation. I tried to start trading with quarter points. I tried trading with fibs. Everything, man. I used to be those guys that say, man, there's a bank move here, man. Price is gonna reject out of this level, and to come up to here because the bank's gonna buy it right here. Like, I just say some head ass stuff, man. But it's got me to where I am today. So that's all that matters. That's all that matters. And now my trading is very simple. If you guys look at my trading, it's very simple.
50 likes.
Super simple. Super simple. Whatever you see in my chart is whatever you see I do. That's all that I use. All that I use, man. I remember when I used to use the harmonic thing. Not the harmonic scanner. I never used the harmonic scanner. Never.
Harmonic pattern finder.
Yeah, no, this right here. I used to have a ABCD. This stuff right here. Yeah, this.
How did it even work that?
I have no clue, bro. But this shit was
Oh my god. Hell no. I'm no ass boy.
1 year of trading, but every day was a hustle. I'm pretty sure, I'm pretty confident every day was at least 1 or 2 hours put in minimum for the past year and a half. Every day on the charts, either trading, either back testing, or either trying a new method, or either watching a course or watching a new video or something like that, man. But every day was a grind, like a small grind, like, at least. And who knows, it might take you 5 years, it might take, because I know traders that they've been trading for 5 years and they're not even profitable yet, you know. Sometimes they take longer, but sometimes you're quick with it. It just depends on how much effort you put in every day, or how much time you put in, or how much you want to change or fix up your shit. Because if something's not
having the right mentors, I think, is important too.
Yeah, having the right mentor, having like a good startup, it saves you a lot of time. Because I know I save Sam a lot of time. Because this guy, he didn't have to go through the fib stage, he didn't have to go through the trendline stage, he didn't have to go through that stage at all. And none of that.
Yeah,
It's just,
I'm like consistently profitable now.
he went straight, yeah. So that's pretty crazy. I met Sam at a shoe store.
Yeah, bro. Don used to just be a little bandit. Just. Okay.
I want this. Like what? Run this shit, boy.
I lie, bro. Like, I didn't know what to buy, bro.
You should just go and win the fucking machine.
Oh, Keymaster?
Oh,
And yes, this is my grind, guys. I'll show you my grind.
That's how you funded Forex.
This is how I funded Forex. Oh my god, why is it not showing up? This is how
Keymaster?
I have. Yo, guess how many wins I have. Guess how many wins I have.
Alright, I'm gonna guess 15.
20 something, 27 or something like that. All on kicks though, all on kicks, bro. Like, I used to read this, bro. This is crazy. Like, kicks too. Like, I won the calls fours, bro. Like, you know how much those calls went for when I won them? That was like 2 racks, I think.
Damn.
How much you get him for?
170 off the Keymaster. Crazy flip, bro. Crazy flip. Like,
Flip God.
you trade full time.
Before I worked at Hotbox.
Crazy.
This guy used to rig the machine there, eh?
Nah, yo, I should have done that stuff.
So that's why you're watching right now, chill. After a year,
Yo, everyone in the live stream gonna be like, alright, bro, I'm gonna go Keymaster. I'm gonna win shoes.
after I'm gonna go in trading after. I'm a grinder though. Like, even before trading, man, I used to like flip shoes. I used to like resell kicks on Facebook and stuff. After I stopped, but I started to, like, you know, I got a job, and then yeah, that's incredible. After 1 year, not only successful but trading live on YouTube, that was crazy. Yeah, it's trading on YouTube too, live breakdowns, live analysis, live everything, man. Everything's live.
Transparency.
Live trades. Like,
You don't see this. You don't see this. Man.
I feel like you just get out how much you put in. Like,
yeah,
Don's
100%.
Don's like a really perseverance, like hard worker, like you know. So like he deserves
Yeah.
it.
Appreciate that.
But yeah, it's just it's different for everyone.
Yeah, some traders like might be lazy, cause like the difference comes when like you take a when traders get worn out. So for example, when they here's the difference between two traders. One trader would take a loss like this. This is one trader. Trader one takes loss. That's what they'll do. They'll usually revenge it. You know, they'll usually not go back and retest. Oh no. Back and back test. That single move. Or ignores the loss and looks for more trades.
Damn, GJ.
This is what trader 1 would do, right? For
Yes, sir.
and this is what trader 2 would do. This
Yeah,
is
trade-
this is
Yeah,
the
I
second
told you,
trader.
Like 10 minutes ago, I had to sell it. Yes, sir.
Trader 2. This is what trader 2 would be. Trader 2 takes win, and this is what they'll do. Goes back and see how they won that trade. And then what else they'll do? They'll probably look for the same exact setup again. Enters it again. Or you know, they take a loss. Or actually, here. Oh, sorry, this is gonna takes loss. Damn, why is it? Uses that as these.
Man, GJ is just showing no remorse right now, bro.
Yeah.
No, it keeps going down. Let's go, bro.
It's the
So
4-hour
blessed.
open too.
So blessed.
So here's what two traders will do. Trader 1, when you take a loss, they'll revenge it. They don't go back and backtest a single move. They ignore a loss and look for more trades, right? Trader 2, when you take a loss, what they do is they'll use that as a learning experience. They'll see what they could have done better. You know, spends a couple hours figuring out why they took the loss. You know, for example, backtesting that loss, seeing what they could avoid for next time. And when they take a win for Trader 1, what they'll do is they'll celebrate it. You know, they'll be happy about it. They'll be like, oh man, I made this today. Done. That's it. But Trader 2, what they'll do is they'll go back, look at that win, and see what they could have done better for that win, and see how they won that trade, and they'll try to look for the same move to replicate it for the next time. And that's how you're gonna become a profitable trader. But this is the big difference between both traders, man. Huge difference. Win. Huge difference, guys. Let me just go on here. Oh. Annotate. Oh, my bad. Why is my thing in full screen? Right there. Screenshot that, do whatever you want to do. But man, that's the huge difference between both traders, man. Because whenever I take a loss, guys, you know what I do? I don't just ignore the loss, man. I go back and I figure out why I took the loss. A good example of that would be when I took that loss last week, 2 weeks ago, and I called the gulag move now, because now I use that move for my confirmation. I took that loss, I went back, I saw how I took the loss, and I named it the gulag move, because that move never played out for me. Like maybe it's 50, it's like a 40-60% chance of playing out, 4% chance of playing out all the time. So I had to cut it off my list, and I never took that move ever again since that date. And then yesterday or 2 days ago, when that same move happened, it was actually it was yesterday. I called the gulag move. It was yesterday. I took a sell on it instead of a buy, and boom, price. You know, I made profit off the loss that I took a couple weeks ago, yesterday. But without me backtesting that exact move, man, I would have lost money. I mean, I would have kept making the same mistakes, and then I'll never learn. But yeah, that's the only way you're gonna learn, guys. Telling you, man. Every day, bro. It's trade every day. Don't trade every day, but just try to learn something new every day, bro. Try to improve every single day. Like I learn from my own trades when I make the highlight video every day. Like when I watch a highlight video, like my recap every day. Cause sometimes I actually watch the full recap, like the full 2-hour recap, just playing in the background or just but not every day though. I don't watch a full recap every day. That's too crazy for me. I can't watch 3 hours of content every day of my own shit that I just did this morning. I'm here for stream done. Can you put it up so we can see the move, bro? Yeah, the move was this. This is the move. I'll draw it out, actually. Yeah, I know the exact move. I'll draw it out. It was this. You had a range. And then, boom. The gulag move. I call it the gulag move. I think Jimmy witnessed me take the loss on it one time, too.
Yeah, it was
I said I took
week or
it.
two ago?
I took it with 3 weeks ago. I took it with a 2.0 lot, or 4 weeks ago.
Oh yeah, I think I remember.
Yeah, you do. It was early in the morning. It was like a.
Oh
four.
yeah. I remember.
This is the move. You had a ranger, like this. You had a resistance. Boom, we know that. And then now you have a support. Boom, we know that. What happened later was price actually broke out of the resistance like this. Price broke out of the resistance like this. Actually, no, I'm gonna draw this right here. It broke out like this. So whenever this, so now this is kind of broke out like this. The reason why, like, people would enter bias here anticipating that's gonna come up like this. Sure, it could come out. I've seen it come out a couple times. Maybe like 4% of the time it comes up like this. But then usually this count usually just drives back down. Like I've seen this so many times happen to me. So I took this trade probably like 20 times already in my life, and it probably got stopped me out like 13, 14 times. So yeah, then what happened after was this is what usually happens. Cause the reason being is because there's not enough support being made here. Right here, you know, because this kind of just broke out. And there's not enough support. So maybe if like you have like something like this now, if you have something like this, you know, a bearish candle or something like this, and then you have like maybe a couple candles bullish like this coming up, and then now you have like that bullish candle closure, and then now you have another bullish move. This would be your buy entry on this candle right here. Then it will retest the high, and then it will break the high again, and it will retest this high, and boom, it'll take off from there, right? But this right here, this candle usually just falls all the way back like this, man, like all the way back in the range, and it'll be called a fake-o after. And then usually what happens after is the price will just drive all the way back down to break support and eventually drive further down that support to come down to the next support, and that's what usually happens. So yeah, so the other day actually, this happened the other day. It was yesterday I think. This is what happened on GJ formed the exact move. We cut the sell down because is there a clip on Instagram on it? I think there's a clip here. Here, let me pull it up. The exact same thing happened here. ControlFX.com. What happened? Where is it? Instagram. Look at this. It's gonna be crazy. But this is where backtesting leads. This is what backtesting leads you to. It's right here. Right here.
Yo, create a candles on the screen, right?
Here. So yes, see, I can't. I gotta leave it up. Here, I'll make it dark though. Actually no, I can't. I don't know how to do that.
I was good.
Alright.
Just play quick.
So you know you have this for GJ. It's not ghetto, but whatever. It looks like this. This is your resistance, and this is your support, right? This kind of broke out. This bullish kind of broke. You see that bullish kind of right there? That broke out. But there's not enough support to right here, right? And also this kind of closed in the range. So I took a sell here after. Usually I'll take a buy here, because this I'll call it like, oh, it's a fake out. Price should go up. But I actually take a sell here. What is that? Oh, there you go. I took a sell here because price closed back in the range, and then price. What happened later was, I'll play the video. What happened later was price just drove all the way down. Yeah, so it's coming back in the range, whatever. I drew out the candle coming down. It moves off entry, whatever. Talk to the market maker. Oh, GJ. And boom. So what happened later? Look what happened later. The whole position, price came all the way back down to that support later. And this is the exact move if you look at GJ now. Exact same move. So I used this. Instead of taking a buy here again, I took a sell here. And what happened later was I caught the whole sell down. And that's how I caught the move yesterday. Off of that one backtest day. Where I spent the whole entire day backtesting that one move. Because the trade made sense to me. I'm like, what is the reason behind the trade hitting stop loss? I was like, there's no way the trade's hitting stop loss. Like, I was like, we broke out a range here. I wait for a breakout. Everything was fine. But there's something missing here. And now I know what was missing. And that was that support that wasn't made. There.
Dude, you gonna go sleep or you trying to play COD?
I can play COD. Is
Should
Jay
play.
on? What time is it? 9:11? Oh shit.
Trying to play COD?
Show. Run it.
You gonna be work later?
10:30. Well, 10:40.
I'm here for stream, bro. I'm here. You can wait for a candle. The previous long waves help determine where there's not enough buy pressure. So, also another thing about this trade was that the fact that there wasn't enough range here, because this kind of closed bullish, and when it closed bullish, this kind of didn't leave much of a range, because technically when it closes bullish, this is your resistance up here, and this is your support kind of thing, right? So the next candle, since it falls, like since here, so the next candle probably just did something like this. It went up bullish, it flipped bullish, filled that range up there, tapped that resistance, then it just shot back down. There's not enough range, right? But then when you have something like this is different. When you have something like this is different now. Let's say you buy off this candle, like so. Price will fill that range because this is a bigger range now. And this is just a small range like that. That's a very small range. And look at this. I'll show you an example right now of the live markets. A live example of this right now. You have this range on GJ that's occurring right here. You have this range. How kind of closed bearish, left a nice range, and then what happened later? Price filled that range for a wick fill, and that's how wick fills work. You know. Yeah. There's some nuggets right there for you guys. Some low nuggets. Can you look at US30? Sure. US30. Yeah, it's gonna go down to this support here. Reason being is because you have this wick fill, you have this candle right here that closed bearish. It didn't break below the range, right? But then this wick's gonna get filled, and when it fills that wick, it's gonna break that support, coming down to this support down here. And now you have a clean move down after this support. It should be a waterfall coming down to this level here on US30, 25,816. Took me like 1 minute to analyze that, not even. But yeah, you have the support here being made. Trades like this, you don't need an actual closure of a candle. This is a market X for me. If I were to enter this trade, I would have entered on this candle right here. right here. Stop loss right there. TP down here. When price gets down to fill this wick, I'll move stops to entry and close 50% of my positions, leaving a runner down to this target down here. That'll be my trade for US 30. It should come down. 15's about to break the low. Yeah, 15's about to break the lows. 1 hour's about to break the lows. Pretty good. But it's a new 4-hour candle as well, right? So yeah, 4 hours should easily come down to that target as well. So. If you're someone with help you determine that was. I think this bigger sell out there hits below 25,700. Let's not worry about that yet. Let's just worry about this move. Yeah, but sure, below there you can come down to like. Actually, no, because there's a daily support here at this level on US 30. That level right there. And you can see it lines up perfectly with that next target that I mentioned earlier. So this target right here, this would be a good target for US 30. 25,850. That support right there. So this wick and then, you know, come down. I think GG finishes movement. It never finished, man. It's never gonna. You never know if man's gonna finish. It can. It's gonna come down here. Who knows? It might come down further. It might come down another 100 pips today. Who knows? But this is just my comfort level trade because this is a support. This is a trade I planned out and the trade I executed. But yeah, GG can come down further. Who knows? I put my TP here because I expected GG to come down to that support, but the TP there doesn't mean that price is gonna. That's the max level is gonna reach. You know, price can continue down further than that. For all we know, we can drive all the way down to like these levels down here at 131,800. Who knows? But yeah, right now, yeah, there's no trade right now though. No trade right now. There's this complete range and complete like. There's not enough confirmations for anything. So much traffic to the left as well for GJ. So GJ is done for me for now. I'm probably gonna be chilling until agent session. Not gonna trade for the rest of the day. Pretty happy about my profits today. Pretty happy. But what I'm more happy about, guys, what you guys should be happy about today is the fact that you manage your trade, man. You close your losses small and you let your runners go big. That's why you should be happy. And that's why I'm happy for today. The way I manage my trades. The T. Not because, you know, I made profits. But other than that, guys, I'm gonna head off for a day, guys. I'm gonna have to go here. I'm gonna play some COD, edit a highlight video, post some stuff on Instagram. Catch you guys tomorrow during a live stream. And yeah, don't overtrade today, guys. It's a Thursday, so you have the rest of the day, but don't try to force anything. Peace. Hope everyone has a great day. Cheers tomorrow. Good stream, boys.
Good stream. Meet you on the zone, my friend.